What if I told you that owning an electric vehicle in 2026 could save you thousands of dollars, not on gas, but on maintenance alone? No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and far fewer trips to the repair shop. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much EVs really cost to maintain in the US, and why many Americans are switching faster than ever. Now, let's break it down. In 2026, studies and real-world ownership data show that the average EV maintenance cost in the US is about 30 to 50% lower than a gas car. Most EV owners spend roughly $300 to $600 per year, while gas vehicle owners often pay $900 to $1,200 annually. And here's why that gap keeps growing. It's not magic, it's mechanics. So question is, why EVs cost less to maintain? As you know, electric vehicles don't have engines, spark plugs, timing belts, or exhaust systems. That means no oil changes, no transmission rebuilds, and no emissions repairs. Brake pads also last longer thanks to regenerative braking, which slows the car using the motor instead of friction. But what about the battery? The biggest concern everyone has. In 2026, most EV batteries are designed to last 8 to 15 years, and US manufacturers typically include 8-year or 100,000-mile warranties. Battery prices have dropped significantly, making replacements far less expensive than they were a decade ago. And when you zoom out, the savings get even clearer. Over 5 years, the average American EV owner saves $4,000 to $6,000 in maintenance compared to a gas car. Fewer repairs, less downtime, and more predictable costs. So in 2026, EVs aren't just cleaner, they're simpler, cheaper to maintain, and easier on your wallet. And that's a big reason why millions of Americans are making the switch. Let me know, would lower maintenance alone convince you to go electric? Hit like and subscribe for more EV updates.